Welcome back to another AI in 5. I'm your host, Simon Chris, and joining me today is Harshil Siyani. Harshil works for News Corp as an AI developer, and in a first for this podcast, we're going to hear from him about the challenges of AI development. Hi, Harshil, and welcome to AI in 5.
Yeah, excited to be here, Simon.
Hey, congratulations. You are the very first AI developer that we've had on the show. We've had lots of business people, lots of consultants and things, but you're one of the people that is actually delivering this stuff in real time. So what I want to ask is, from your perspective, from that hands-on building perspective, what's going on? Are organizations adopting this the right way? Are they having trouble scaling? What are you seeing?
Yeah, I mean, from my experience, what's been happening is large organizations have the R&D budget, and they're able to create teams, small teams to full on go into AI innovation and experiment with AI. And they have the buffer for failing compared to small and medium enterprises where
Yeah.
they have their ongoing, they're already maxed out in their resourcing. And
So what causes these failures in the bigger organizations?
I think it's all innovation phase right now in AI. Like AI is not yet at a mature phase, and innovation also often refers to you need to fail 9 out of 10 times before you can figure out the efficient way of getting things done. So I think we're in the innovation phase in the companies in terms of AI because everyone's using AI as just text coming in and out.
Yeah.
But AI is going to transform the industry in terms of not just text, but being able to do things with it. And that's where the innovation right now is still ongoing. And I feel like each company, each organization has their own values and mission and purposes. And I mean, I've seen developers in companies, so like at the ground level, developers try to implement AI as another software.
Yep.
And this is important because it's not another new tool that you call an API to and you expect an answer that's always going to be the same. So that's the biggest challenge that I've been looking around and talking to other developers in my space. And everyone is like, oh, I expect it to do this. Well, it's AI. You need to understand it. There's parameters you need to change. It's not just you ask a question, it's going to return the same answer every time. It's going to keep
Yep.
changing answers and the way it changes, like the way the users prompted it.
Yeah. And do you think, if organizations are essentially experimenting or innovating, as you say, do you think that is wasted money? Do you think that that's really valuable? Where are you on that scale?
Well, look, so I've been in the innovation space for a while, and it's like, it's really hard. It's a really hard metric in
Yeah.
terms of innovation and waste. But it's also to do with if the team that's doing the innovation is aligned to the organization, is aligned in terms of what the main core business mission and values are, then there's a less likelihood of it being a waste because then you would be either automating the processes that are in place right now, or you would be trying to enhance the capabilities, right? So you're trying to enrich your current staff using AI. So AI adoption, you're trying to do something that will help either the marketing team or some other team. Then you're sort of enhancing it. It's like you're sort of adding another junior role in your company compared to vesting it then, just randomly experimenting it then.
Yeah. And are you and your peers at all having, senior leaders coming to you saying, not just, how can we become faster, stronger, better, cheaper, but saying, what new markets, what new things could we be doing because now we've got the power of AI? Or is it still too early for that?
No, I think we are there. We are there where we need to test the capabilities of AI. Like AI currently, as of right now, I think if we're trying to create a ship, we're coming a full circle around AI in terms of its capabilities. It's visually there.
Mm-hmm.
Like agentic AI has come out, so there's like possibilities of what's beyond just text generation is sort of like you can vision it, but in terms of implementation is where the current phase is where I think so everyone's now sort of in the AI space. I mean, organizations are still catching up, but in the innovation space, everyone's looking to agentic AI. And what can we do with this? And this is where the questions come, how far can we push it? And there's a bit of catch up. So MCP is like an API for AI.
Yep.
And as long as more organizations get into their MCP servers, which is Model Products Protocol, and as
Mm-hmm.
long as more organizations get in, the possibilities keep expanding. So
Mm.
currently, either my company or my startup, my idea might not be able to integrate with Zero accounting software. But the moment Zero announces an MCP server, the possibilities increase now because now I can fetch invoices and create invoices through prompting.
Yeah,
So,
fantastic. Look,
yeah.
we're at time, believe it or not. 5 minutes goes
All
fast.
right. Okay.
But I want to ask you the same question that I ask everybody on the show. And that is, what would be for an organization that's just starting their AI journey, what would be your advice? What should they be thinking about or what should they be doing?
Well, I think having either a dedicated person to be their go-to AI person.
Mm.
So at least that way, one person's constantly around the AI news. AI is moving very fast. It's not
Yeah.
something that we can say every Friday, 2 hours on AI innovation.
Yeah.
It's moving really fast. It needs the momentum. So I would say have a go-to dedicated person in the organization
Yeah.
that can be bringing AI stuff into the company then.
Yeah, look, that's great advice. I've often said AI can't be done on your on the side of your desk. Look, Harshil, thank you for being a part of AI in 5.
Yeah, awesome and great to be here.